College Boni Fibro Session Part, Jumtip Nam Tai Khur Light Kam, Malap Light the Office of the Director of Health Service, Kidon Ki Kam Kebalait Kumba Shispa and Rup Hu Light Li A, Total Post Baro, the Young Nepet Menta, Advertisement, the Director of Health Service, Meghalaya Shillong, invite online application from the candidate who are domiciled in the state of Meghalaya. Recruitment for the following posts on contractual basis, the Kanmau Kadai contractual basis, to be engaged in fast referral unit and critical care unit for a period of 1 year and to be extended based on performance and needs. Kemau kan dari online, pihak lek apply online yang bagian ke website www.meghealth.gov.in dengan sabu ya ka link apa description ru. Application received through any other mode will not be accepted. Teka debit online mode. Terus mau ke website meghealth.gov.in. The district-wise breakup of the post will be as follow. Here yung post the OT technician ICU total post kadang sau popratli pharmacist arpway TSSU assistant khat sau lab technician drupway X-ray technician khat reu but dialysis technician reu baro gilong chispa and reply tali tehangnya la ai lagi district wise breakup la ka jong district de ka first preference mun baningkong kinjit shua ke badai nakatu ka district hi te hadin pat de lada kimdon nakatu ka district kemut kisa jit naka merit list takadau ki lada pikwa hano honoru phya ban le bahabe mar ba shubu po is khas hill dan khat nyo post te kinjit shua ba na po is khas hill te lada na po is khas hill kimda bre te kisa jit nakiwe bre ki district kin sa jit ba daka merit list ba ki ba yo kham hai ka marks kin rung no kita gain wala laki dai nakano kono ka district ru te baro kine te sa check hing tu ki district laga jong ladap ai ki number of post te ngai ong tanga total te baro kan long bej shispa and reply tadi post tingina pe imtai ke essential criteria OT technician devendep yega BSc diploma BSc lene diploma in OT technology lene BSc surgical technician anesthesia technology tatar pharmacist DPharm lene BPharm lene MPharm TSSU assistant diploma lane BSc in hospital sterilization technology CSSD lane equivalent to diploma course lab technician diploma in medical laboratory BSc medical laboratory MSc medical laboratory X-ray technician diploma course in X-ray dialysis technician diploma lane BSc in dialysis technology dan katulop kadebej R4 Hajar Shibanai ka age ka snem ka day khat pra hadu life R plus 5 years relaxation te kan day bet khat pra hadu life nyo snem san ru nyo life nyo snem te sakan mau ki bakwa apply te sudah kemau kan pulih ru instruction te nganam da batai than kita pihak apply online pihak register shua kita terter te ka last date nam ta kane kan day R prater jung bunai July da kan mau 28 July, the last date of receiving online application is on 28 July 2024. Candidates are to pay an application. Haban seal live pa tingka admit card ke bro kan sapen bi pihak website kapor ka singi exam bro. Tehnel bang ba. The date of the written examination will be held on 3rd August. Later August exam are pra last date. Pra July, later August exam. Haban check by na po official website nam tagi detail. Tenang don bing instruction maximum marks kandai shispa te prapoma kandai ka written MCQ and service arpoma kandai practical kandan ka cut off nam ta ka practical ka belong pramak te phaban pass be la phim pass phinam mi ha ka finalist te baro ka total candidate break ban mi ya baro ki post nomor bagilan shispa and reply te kin jit be tang arsha tak mutba kan long be laispa arpen riu ngut baro kin mi ha ka list ada pi duna ko district ne buna district ru kam lai tamba tang lais pa penrungut baro kan permit list will be considered as eligible candidate for appearing the practical examination and will be based purely on a merit marks obtained in written examination kan based on written examination ka practical kan based ra the date of practical examination will be intimated later on the website above the post of district above will be filled with the candidate belonging to the district tung ada bong ada amdon shuna to district in sa fill beden na ka merit list tu ada batai te kitu ke bukwa ban apply kila ban page hina pok website pulih ha page hai ka instruction tang deong Document in original to be produced during fiscal verification, valid registration certificate, lane graduation, lane diploma certificate, birth certificate, or SSC admit card, shell tribe, shell caste, voters ID. Center can be Shillong Marathura, and the result will be displayed on the website above, local newspaper, in notice board, Office of Director, Health Service, Meghalaya, Shillong. Thank you, Negi Jumputip, Kulish Bun.